Choke on that, I said.
He's toxic. But you're toxic.
But you know that you're coxic.
Toxic. You're toxic. That you're toxic. Boom. You're toxic.
You take it down.
Back a bit more. That's it. Now. Oh, you've got some fucking weight in there.
Yeah, just you can slide onto that now.
Weight. Oh. How's that?
Yeah, put a slide on that. Come inside, mate. It'll be easier. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I will. Just get it there.
Yeah. Actually, push it in a bit more. Go in a bit more. So you can just make sure it doesn't catch it and drop it on you. You know what I mean?
Yep. Beautiful. Lovely.
Oh, bleeder.
Sappy.
Take me to
Ingrain.
gum. It's not so. Oh,
Tacky.
it's not
Oh, it's touchy.
gum. Yeah, toffee.
Candy. I want candy. Give me candy. How did the rocks get up here? Hopefully we'll roll it up there. Just do it by hand, mate. Don't fucking, it's not a fast fucking operation. Do it by hand because I just want to watch if it's going to move or if it's going to roll along, mate. We want to see that. Don't get behind it, Mark. Alright, go on, go over there and give him a line, mate. So you don't have to go flat out with it either, okay, boys? I'm just going to get this behind you. Just wait a tick, wait and hold it there. Just in case.
Yeah, beautiful. It's nice to see it is pulling it by itself though. That's nice to see, isn't it?
It is.
Good to have safety backups too. It's always good. It's no surprise tempers get flared when lives are in danger.
Go for it. I like the way they push back out.
Yeah.
That's to help them there, aren't I?
Roll, Jack, roll.
Stop. Everyone hold the process. We're forgetting something. We're forgetting some things.
This.
What are we forgetting?
Stays on this side.
These.
Yeah, fuck.
Dogs.
No.
So what I do is
Hey, you're yelling at us. We're freaking out.
I'm not yelling.
so when you take this out,
What am I yelling at you about?
You'll see.
Oh, I'm very surprised it rolls that up, mate.
this one.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yeah. I'm very surprised.
High as possible, mate, yeah.
Hey, down. What's like that?
Like that. Love that. Pretty nice. Nice and good. We don't want the log to roll right over this side. Alright. One more thing. How's that one? Can you fix that one?
goes like this, out like that, you know. What do you mean down like that tone?
It's alright. Yeah, no, it's cool. I'm just worried about these getting knocked off. Oh well. Can't do much about it. If it gets damaged, it gets damaged. Alright, sweet.
Hold it there for a second. I'm just going to get this hook off.
Yep.
And then I'll help it on this heavy side. You know, that really surprises me that once it's got the weight there, it actually fucking has enough fucking weight to stop the thing moving.
Yeah, it's like, I suppose not enough the log was this big, but he pulled a big log up on it. So, Australian hardwood.
Well, I mean, I know it is a hardwood mill, but
No, that's what it's supposed to be made for.
it is, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the whole purpose. The whole purpose.
Rightio, Marky boy.
Oh.
That's me.
Yeah, I know. Keep
Go
going,
on.
mate. Keep going. I'll wait till it resets. Alright.
Go on, keep going.
Tyre. But keep it going, mate. Keep going. It just got stuck on the tyre.
That one there.
What's
Okay.
it stuck?
No,
It's
just
just
keep
got
going,
to
mate.
roll on top
How
of
hard is it, Mark?
Oh, no, look at that. It's wrong there, look. No.
Yeah, give that end a little push. Well, just pressure. But the dog's not. Yeah, that's it. That's it. The dog wasn't, the thing wasn't clicking over.
You need to get some wood to stop it going smack bang off the other side or something, or what? Or do I need to grab it with this to stop it going, or what? What do you want done? Should you use something just to stop it going too hard, you know?
I'm listening to you, mate. I'm getting
When
it
it hits
done.
on here, you mean? So to go drop
So it
bang.
doesn't go bang when it rolls over that knot, you know?
So what on the end of the wood? Yeah.
No, that's not going to work.
Or should I come forward and get behind it with the arm and let it go over slowly?
Maybe hold. If you come over the top here, hold it. I'll wind it, and then you just let it slowly release it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Totally.
So we just hold it. Let's slowly wind it. And just let it down slowly. It's nearly there now.
It's not going to go bang, you reckon? How's that? Am I in a good spot there?
Yeah, come towards you, please, mate. Towards you. Suck it in.
Yeah, that's
that?
Oh, that's good.
So bring it over till it hits that, then I'll back that off a bit.
Yeah,
That should just guide it where it is.
just
There we go, see, that's what I was worried about. That's alright,
that's
though.
because of the size of the log.
I know.
Because it was in the middle.
Well, that's what I was saying.
Cut
That's
this
what
off.
probably good, yeah. Take that off. That's it, up you go. Beautiful, boy. Mate, don't wanna move or hardwood mill. Once
Yeah.
These.
Yep.
These.